welcome to another video right here on FE Builds. We received a package in the mail, and this package came through Fuchs Adventures. Thank you so much. They placed an order for us along with theirs, and this basically has the all grip sign and it holds the indicator in place. It's a side indicator panel. Okay, so as you open the box, it's got some instructions over here. I've got some aftermarket smoked indicators. Hopefully they work with this. Hopefully they're compatible. That's the one side, and I assume on the other side of this foam is the other side. There we go. So that's the unboxing of the Roaming Horizon side indicator panels with the all grip written on them. I had to move the transformer sign from there to there. So there we go, it's moved, and it's moved on the other side also. So let me show you how to do this install quickly. It's very quick, it doesn't take long at all. Sorry, the garage is a bit messy. There's a gap under the door and it allows a lot of dust in. So basically all you do is pull back on the indicator and then pull out. Now when you disconnect this wire from the indicator, make sure it doesn't fall in. There's two stickers at the back. I've taken that off. Now we're going to pass this wire through there gently without dropping the wire into the fender, and we're going to mount this on. So I'll do that quickly, then I'll come back and I'll show you how to put back the indicator. Okay, so that's all installed, it's all clicked in place. It is a bit finicky when putting it in. You need to position it properly and it will clip in. And it fits perfectly, so it's a nice tight snug fit, and the indicator goes in now. Okay, so I'm basically putting the indicator in. I've clipped the clip-on on the indicator. It's nice and snug. Okay, and that's a wrap for the video. Pretty rough, but we've got the indicator side panel installed, the all grip pattern on it, and the nice smoked indicators. To go around and check out the other one. Backlights are working. And the indicator panel is on. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day further, and if you know anyone who likes this kind of content, share it. Let them join in on the adventure. I would say this Jimny is about 20% done. There's still a lot that we need to do, and some more upgrades that are still to come on the tires, on the suspension, on many different things. So it's going to be cool.